everyone, welcome to the video. This week I'm doing a pumpkin pour using some fluorescent paints and the blacklight. You see, I primed a pumpkin with some gesso, however you say it, mixed with some black just to darken it for the background. And I used a little dome there on top of the pumpkin just to help the tree pour. I'm doing a tree pour and I want to get the rings nice and smooth, and because the pumpkin obviously concaves at the top of the stem, I put this little plastic dome from a bauble, I think bauble, which comes in two pieces. So I put that over the top just to help the paint flow on top, a layer of black underneath, again to help the paint flow. And you see these neons look fantastic under the black light. Now, I've got these paints from a company called Baker Ross here in the UK. I'm not sure if they deliver internationally. If they do, get on the case, because they're really good quality. I was quite surprised. They're much cheaper than all the other brands I came across on Amazon, eBay, and when I googled for neon paints, neon acrylic paints. I was a bit dubious because obviously the cheaper the paint, sometimes the quality can be poor, but this is my first couple of pours I've done with these, and the pigmentation is really good, and the dry effect is good as well. So once it's dry, you still really good, high, bright, vivid colours. So you'll see some pictures at the end of the dry results under black light. Obviously they can look bright because they're under black light, but I'd still recommend definitely checking them out. I found the ones on Amazon very expensive, and because it's just a bit of fun, I don't want to waste really expensive paints. So I'd definitely go back. I'm definitely going to buy some more from Baker Ross. Fantastic customer service as well, because one of their paints they sent me originally leaked, and I sent them some pictures of the product when it arrived, and opened it up, and the next day straight away they replied and said, we're going to send you some new ones, don't worry. And they sent me a whole set. It was, really good customer service. I was really pleased. So just to reiterate, I've not been paid by Baker Ross for this. This is not a review of their paints or products, but I just think they deserve a shout out for their customer service and for the quality and prices of the products. I'd definitely go check them out. If here in the UK, if you're not, check them out anyway, because they may deliver internationally. I'm not sure on that. So, as you can see, this is a tree ring pour, so you put the different colours you want into a cup and just slowly move the cup around in a circular motion, small circular motion above the surface area, and you see it flowing off the dome. It's just great to watch. I love watching it. Just this is going to get thrown away. It's a pumpkin, isn't it? It's not going to be kept. But the experience itself was great fun. I definitely recommend it if you've got some time between. I mean, it's now Wednesday, 31st of October. It's 2 in the morning. I'm a bit of a night owl, so I should be fast asleep. But I know in the US, a lot of people who are watching in the US, it's still the evening time on the 30th. So they've got Halloween to look forward to still. They've got plenty of time to do something fun. So get out there and get yourself some neon paints and a little cheap black light from Amazon. I got mine for about 10 quid. Stick it on and do some painting under that black light. It's great fun. Definitely recommend it. So yeah, the tree ring effect was great fun. I put too much black in there though. You can see black's kind of overtaking a bit, but I wanted to just have some fun with it and see what happens. And all the rings are flowing down the pumpkin, and you see towards the end I added some more just some more bright colours just to finish it off. And you'll see some photos at the end of all the products I made. I did some canvases and a mask, and added some detail to the pumpkin at the end, and it was just such great fun. It really was, and it's something I've never done before. I didn't go crazy on the carving. I just stuck a couple of eyes in there, a few teeth to stick some creepy crawlies out of, and that was pretty much it. But it was just such great fun. I've got the videos of the paintings I did, the canvases I did. They'll be on YouTube soon as well, so look out for those. And I'll be doing some more neon work because it's just such great fun. So visually mesmerising and pleasing on the eye. So look out for those, and if you haven't subscribed yet, do so. If you want, of course, you don't have to. I do hope you enjoyed this, and if you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below. Speak soon. Thanks for watching.